我现在全副武装，我穿上了 Tim 的一双大鞋子，我们准备下海去抓那个一种 ，How do you call that? Razor fish。
对 ，razor
是一
fish。
种蚌类的，我们把它抓回来，然后做鱼饵也可以吃。但是我们因为今天要出海去钓鱼了，我们提前早上做准备，好吗 ？Let's go。
Let's go, Ella。
我穿了一双鞋子，因为怕他说的 razor 是很 sharp 的意思哈，怕我踩到那个上面去，我穿上 Tim 的一双大鞋子。我们走了，每个人最多只能抓25只。Okay, let's go.
Let's go, let's go.
Tim, say hello. Wave your hand.
你好吗？
It's good. Oh yeah. 哦，水还有点凉哦。It's a bit cold, the water. 哦，看到没有，大家？看这个，哦，就这么拔出来。Wow, big ones in here. That's big. That's looking big. This too.
Hey. Yeah. Yeah, I think they're a bit small.
No. Yeah, there. You fit there, see?
Yeah, I know, they're everywhere now.
哇，好多了，看到没有？啊，这前面都是的。这么大，我看上去蛮大的，他们说小了，他要弄大的。
Anyway, I guess.
看看，这是尖尖的，这如果光着脚踩在上面去，的确是会把脚割破了。我感觉还是蛮大的呀，怎么说不够大呢？I think pretty good. It's big, see?
Yep.
看这么大一个。That's too small.
Oh, that's right, Anna. I reckon that one's a bug.
Please.
That's pretty bug.
好吧。哎，这个也蛮大的。I think this one is big too. 哎呦，哇、wow. Heavy.
That's dug well in, is it? Not coming out. Use your muscles, Anna. Muscles.
Wow, big.
Wow,
That's a big one.
there.
你看这海里，这都是的。这真的是靠海吃海呀、在海边可以吃到这些贝壳类的。他们都不吃，他们都拿着它当鱼
Just
饵。
say, yeah, 25 per person a day.
Yes, I already said.
Okay. Robert.
现在 Tim 说没有，所以他们严格的遵守这个，每一个人每天只允许抓25个。好了，我们回去了，这太多了。看 Tim， 我们的筐装的太满了，筐装不下去了。回去了，等一下晚点拍视频。出海去钓鱼去，这是我们的收获，这么大的一个个的，看得很大，能够吃的东西就那么一点点。Is that the heart in the middle, the white one?
Yeah.
这个就这个白色的这一坨是可以吃的。 OK， 放在这里吧。You have to wash later anyway. Hey, they're looking good, huh?
Yeah, that's
Not too bad.
that's yeah, very juicy.
That's it, yeah.
嗯，
Not sure if it...
好，试一下。Eh, how come so easy this one? Oh, I got the wrong. This so easy, huh? How come? 哎，这一个很容易哦。这一坨肉，这回头反正还要洗的。Easy this one。这是我们刚刚早上弄的成果 ，Tim 把它做好了，我来尝一尝，看看好不好吃。Let's taste 哈，
Okay.
看看好不好吃啊？
好吃？
好吃
好吃。That's good.
，Taste not bad。
That's good, Anna. That's a lot of work for that, isn't it?
这是早上我们弄的那个 razor fish， 就是那种尖尖的，像蚌壳一类的。这个肉还不错嘞，还弄出来 ，Tim 煎出来了。好吃。
好吃？
谢谢。
Oh, 不用吃。Enjoy.